Welcome back, everyone. We're going to be identifying strong highs on the charts. So before I get started, I'll give you guys a few seconds to try to identify the strong highs yourself. All right, let's get started. So we have this low here that took out previous high, and then we broke structure. That is a strong high. Right there. We have this point here that took out all of this. So I'll quit here. Took out its previous high. And then broke structure. Now remember, because the market is fractal, right? You have to know where the move is starting from. Right? I know the move started from here. That's the previous swing point. Went up, made retracement, went up again. Right, the move started here, took out all of this, then we broke structure. That's now a strong high. That's what I was explaining on the whiteboard is on a small time frame is going to look like this, and this may throw you off a bit. Right? It may throw you off a bit. That's why we start from the higher time frame than to the lower time frame, right? But this is not about time frames. This is about strong highs. So there's a strong high. They're not picture perfect. Like nothing is in the market. So here's another strong high. Took out liquidity. And book structure. Notice 3 candle formation. Okay. Let's go over here. Here's a strong high. Take a liquidity. Then broke structure. Notice the 3 candle formation right there. Let's go over one more. Right. Let's see. Here. Take out liquidity. Broke structure. All right. Now again, remember, this is just showing you guys how a strong high is formed. That's it. Just showing you how a strong high is formed. I'm not showing you how to enter. I'm not showing you how to, let's say, take a trade with a strong high or a strong low. It's simply showing you how a strong high is formed, right? Because some of you may be questioning right now, oh, well, ain't this a strong high? A lot of factors come into play, right? A lot of factors come into play. It's not just I'm going to choose a random strong high on the charts and it's going to hold. No, I'm just showing you how a strong high is formed and how it's valid. All right. Just want to get that out the way so people won't be confused. So, oh yeah, that is how you validate a strong high. And that's how it looks on the charts. That's it for now. On to the next one.